The CX-70 nameplate is new to the Mazda lineup for 2025, although the vehicle itself is essentially the same as the CX-90 that was introduced last year. The CX-70 has blacked-out exterior trim to differentiate it, plus a new wheel design. Mazda is also adding features such as Amazon Alexa integration, and there's an underfloor storage compartment in the cargo area. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video. The price of the 2025 Mazda CX-70 starts at $41,820 and goes up to $57,325 depending on the trim and options. We've come to expect plush materials, upscale designs, and lots of features from Mazda SUVs, and the CX-70 is no different. Its interior looks the same as the CX-90's, though it offers a red leather interior upholstery option and has only 2 rows of seats instead of 3. The cargo area should offer the same amount of space as the CX-90 does with its 3rd row folded, although the CX-70 has a larger underfloor storage compartment. A 12.3-inch infotainment system is standard and uses Mazda's latest software. It's not a touchscreen. Instead, there's a control knob and a few buttons on the center console that operate the central display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities are standard, and there's a new option for Amazon Alexa integration. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display and a head-up display are both optional. Premium trims and above come with a 12-speaker Bose stereo system.